Hello everyone. Today we are going to again discuss one more topic from the radiology, processing solution. I'm following White and Ferro, 7th edition. So, processing solutions. In processing solutions, what are the steps of processing first? The steps of processing are: first we immerse the film in a developer, then we rinse the developer off from the water bath, then third we immerse into the fixer, then the fourth step we wash the film to remove the fixer, and the last step is we dry the film and it is ready for viewing. So these are the steps of a processing solutions. But what happened actually in a developer solution and before exposure of a film? So as I shown before in one of my video about the latent image, so before exposure, a film emulsion consists of a bromide and a silver and a bromide ions. They also contain a free silver ions. What happens when this film is exposed to X-ray? The photon will hit the bromide, it releases an electron reach to the sensitive side, and the sensitive side becomes negatively charged, and it will attract those free silver ions. These free silver ions get attracted to it, it gets trapped into it, and the sensitive side gets converted into latent image site, and it contains neutral silver atom. So this is all about the latent image. So we got a latent image site, okay, after exposure. Before exposure it was like this: sensitive site is there, which is made up of iodide ion and sulfur and a free silver ion, and after exposure it becomes that sensitive site becomes latent image sites, and it contains neutral silver atom. But what happened in a developer? So after exposure in a developer, so each grain consists of silver halide, and they also contain neutral silver atom at the latent image site. So this is one picture in which there are silver bromide crystals also, and they also contained neutral silver atom at the latent image site. Now I can show here like these are those latent image site which contain neutral silver atom. Okay, so these are the latent image sites. Okay, so in first figure we can see that it contains silver bromide and neutral, and in the second video second figure we can see that it contains neutral silver atom. Silver bromide is there and neutral silver atom at there, and these are the latent image. As I told before, what is latent image? So these are those silver atom at this latent image. One most important thing is these latent image is only the image which can convert it into that X-ray film. Only the latent image is responsible for making an image. The other silver and bromide crystals are removed in the fixer. So those silver atoms which are at latent image are responsible for making an image. So these latent image sites at the crystals, these are only sensitive to the developer solutions. So when you put the film in a developer, what happened to the neutral silver atom? These neutral silver atom will convert it into a black solid. They convert it into a black solid silver metal grain. So when you put this in a developer, this will happen. So very important thing is what developer do to this film. The developer will convert this silver bromide crystals with the neutral silver atom. These are neutral silver atom at the latent image. These are neutral silver atom. So it convert the silver bromide crystal with neutral silver atom deposit at the latent image site into black solid silver metal grain. Now this is very important, what the developer actually does. So they are converted. So these latent image in orange color, they are converted into a black solid silver metal. So you can see the few are black solid silver metal, grains, but few are not. Few are those silver bromide which are not get exposed or which are not being developed. So what we have to do when we put this film in fixer, what fixer will do? Fixer will remove all those unexposed. So these are those unexposed, and what fixer will do? It will remove those unexposed silver bromide crystals, so that we have only those crystals which are exposed. So these are only those crystals which get exposed, and those which are not exposed, they are removed. So this is all what happened in a developing solutions. So developing solutions has 4 steps. They have 4 steps. It contains 4 components, sorry, not steps, 4 components. First is developer, second is activator, third are the preservative, and the fourth is retainer. So these are the 4 components of a developer. So these things all happens in a developing solution. What happened before? Before it's just a film which contains silver bromide. Before it was just a film which contains silver and bromide in a sensitive area. After exposure, and latent image is found, and then when we put this latent image, these are silver bromide crystals. Now these are the silver atom at the neutral silver atom at the latent image. Now when we put into the developer, those neutral silver atom which deposit at this latent site will convert it into a black solid silver metal grains. And then when we put in the fixer, all these unexposed are removed, and only the those grains which are at the latent image, those who are developed, they will only left with us. So this is all about processing solution, and this is the diagram from White and Ferro. In this diagram you can see first, before exposure, you can see many silver bromide crystals are there. These are many silver bromide crystals are there. This is after exposure. The crystals which contain silver atom, they are converted in, they are shown with the yellow dots. And what happen over here? The developer convert the exposed silver neutral atom into a black solid metallic grains. And what fixer do? This is what happened in the fixer. What fixer do? It will remove all those unexposed and undeveloped silver metal, and only a solid grain is remain, which forms a radiographic image. Now this is the reason why radiographs are radio opaque and radiolucent. They are radio opaque because opaque is light in color, because only few photons or only few silver bromide ions are over there, and they are radiolucent because more photon reach to these silver metal grains. So that is the reason it is radiolucent, and that is the reason why it is radio opaque. So this is all about, and this is a diagram from White and Ferro. I hope I was able to explain it properly. Thank you so much.